The race to vaccinate more Americans against COVID-19 is on. President Joe Biden has set the ambitious goal of 100 million shots in his first 100 days in office. In order to do that, the U.S. will need to ramp up vaccine production and distribution. And as Jennifer Johnson explains, it's also contending with new variants taking hold across the U.S.
In the race to get vaccinated, North Carolina residents lined up around the Charlotte Motor Speedway to get their shots before the supply ran out.
It was seamless, it was amazing, it was well organized.
Across America, vaccination centers are running into roadblocks. At least 15 sites in New York City have been forced to shut down because there are no doses left. Other states and cities are also seeing their supplies quickly dwindle.
I think we have to be realistic with it, that if you aren't over the age of 65 and if you don't have health conditions, it's going to be probably in the summer before it's available.
President Joe Biden is pledging to get 100 million shots administered in 100 days by boosting production through the Defense Production Act and creating federal vaccination centers.
God willing, not only do 100 million, we're going to do more than that.
Biden's team says its biggest challenge is getting more vaccination sites, additional pharmacies, and mobile clinics up and running quickly.
Because if we don't set those up, then we'll be in a place in perhaps a month or so where we're sitting on too much supply at a time when many people want to get the vaccine but can't.
Complicating the battle, new strains of the virus from countries including the UK, Spain, and South Africa that are more aggressive and possibly even more deadly. Old guidelines are changing.
Say it took 10 minutes of a conversation 4 feet apart for me to give enough particles to you to spread the virus. Now that number is half or a third, and so much more transmissible.
As President Biden pushes for all Americans to wear masks, the U.S. COVID-19 death toll continues to mount, expected to hit 500,000 Americans next month.